Can over-the-counter medications cause Stevens-Johnson syndrome? You did not even need a prescription, and yet the drug sent you to the burn unit. Here is what families need to know. One of the most disorienting aspects of a Stevens-Johnson syndrome diagnosis is learning that the medication that triggered it was something you could have bought off a pharmacy shelf without a prescription. Certain over-the-counter medications have been associated with SJS and TEN in the medical and regulatory literature. NSAIDs available without prescription, including ibuprofen and naproxen sodium, appear in SJS adverse event data. Some OTC cold and flu preparations have been flagged in case reports. Certain topical products used for pain relief have also been associated with SJS reactions in limited populations. The FDA has required label updates for certain OTC products specifically in connection with serious skin reactions, including SJS. In 2013, the FDA issued a drug safety communication requiring updated warnings for OTC pain relievers and fever reducers in connection with serious skin reactions. According to that communication, the risk is rare but serious, and the warnings required are specifically designed to alert consumers and healthcare providers. Here is where the legal issues become significant. Were those warnings adequate? Were they placed prominently enough on the label that a reasonable consumer would have seen and understood them? Were there populations, people with certain genetic profiles, certain existing conditions, or those taking certain other medications, where the risk was meaningfully higher and the labeling still failed to reflect that elevated risk? In product liability law, a failure to warn claim does not require proving the drug was inherently defective. It requires proving that the risk communication was inadequate, given what the manufacturer knew or should have known. Our team has handled OTC drug-related SJS cases, as well as prescription drug cases for decades. If an over-the-counter medication triggered your SJS, please do not assume you have no case because the drug did not require a prescription. Call us. We will give you an honest evaluation. We offer 100% free consultations by calling 855-566-3752, or you can visit us online at www.sjslawyer.com.